All right, today I'm going to show you how I clean the filter on a Whirlpool dishwasher right here. Right here I have a Whirlpool dishwasher. As you can see, I have all of the dishes are out. All right, all of the dishes are out. And what you can do so you can easily access the filter in this is just take this bottom rack and put this to the side. All right, put that to the side and it'll allow you to get in there easier for those who don't have long arms. All right, so now that I have the door open, completely open, I'm just gonna reach in and there's a filter right here. All right, and so what I'm gonna do with this filter right here, I'm just gonna take it and twist it counterclockwise and it comes up. Look at that, that's the filter right here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this up. All right, now I clean this regularly so it's not as dirty. And sometimes there's food caught up right here, and then the screen right here collects some type of debris, all right? All right, you see that debris caught up in there? I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out. But before I do that, I'm gonna go back in here and check to see if there's any food or anything floating around, and I'm gonna remove this by hand. There's a little piece right there. I'm gonna remove that, and there's a piece of floating plastic in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and get that out. The floating plastic right there. Just get this out, whatever it is, clean up all around there, all right? So you won't have to deal with it later, you know, and throw it away. All right, so now I have this, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the water, and I'm just gonna take this and rinse all this out. Rinse the top, make sure all the debris gets off of the filter. I'm gonna rinse the outside. You see that I'm rinsing the outside. All right, making sure all the debris gets washed down the drain, and then I'm gonna go on the inside of it and do the exact same thing. Just gonna rinse the screen mesh, all right? And then maybe tap on it a little bit, not too hard because you don't wanna break it, and get all of that gunk from out of there. And this is gonna allow your dishwasher to wash more efficiently, all right? It's going to reduce the wear and tear on the dishwasher. And so once I rinse it all out, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and you see right here, it shows you what to do. All right, it says to lock, go clockwise, to unlock, go counterclockwise. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in there. All right, so I'm gonna get back down here. Be careful, make sure all the debris out. I'm gonna go in there and see if any more, there's something down in there. I'm gonna see if I can get that out. Some sort of, I don't know, something. All right, got that out. And I'm just gonna take the filter and I'm gonna put it back in here. All right, place it in there. Look at there, there's a surprise, a fork. Take that out. I'm gonna put the filter in there and then I'm gonna press down slightly, all right? And then I'm going to twist it, all right, to lock it back into place. Just like that, you see it won't come out? And then I'm gonna come back over here and replace the drawer, I don't know what you call it, the rack, put it back into place, all right? And then close it. And that's how you clean the filter. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.